The system has been rigged and the odds are no longer in your favor. In the next 15 minutes, I promise to expose the same secrets your online experts use to rake in millions for themselves every month. You too can replicate this method and make more for yourself. Here's how you can survive. I am going to be showing you exactly how you can start raking in 7 figures for yourself every single month using your smartphone, your laptop, and access to the internet. I know this line is quite cliche because you've heard it 1,001 times, but then I'm going to show you something that will actually blow your mind. Right here is 35 pieces of $100, and as you can see, this is actually $3,500 right on my hands. And this is exactly the amount and even more I actually just placed withdrawal for a couple of expenses here and there. But then it's not really about this amount I'm holding right now, because it's about you watching this particular video right in here. Now, this is not affiliate marketing, right? This is not even network marketing. To be honest, I am not against any of this business model. In short, I preach it and I tell people to jump on them. But I actually figured out a particular business model that is way easier for even you that does not understand anything about online marketing, something you can actually start right now and you make a lot of money from it. And if you're a naysayer, you're watching this particular video because you feel like, oh, everything is a lie to you, I actually get them a lot. People that feel like everything is fake, right? Don't worry, just click out. You don't need to actually stay here. Let me walk others that are interested through this particular video to the very end, and let us get on with something for our lives. As you can see on my screen, I will show you how you can do 1 million naira selling your brain. When I say 1 million naira, I'm saying it to my full chest. You see, my guys, people are making a lot of money in this online space. So when you hear that people are actually tearing Benz, this one just bought a Benz, this one just bought a Benz, they go on vacation to a different part of the world. Now, when it comes to information marketing, this is actually one of my best because it constitutes of a large chunk of passive recurring income on a daily basis. When we say passive recurring income, it's something that you are going to create once and it will keep on bringing you income every single day. I know that as you are sitting right now, if you're even making 10,000 naira per day on that side hustle you are creating, that is magic for you. Right? And that is exactly what I'm showing you here with information marketing. And this is practically one of the easiest online businesses you can do from the comfort of your home once you've known the ins and the outs. So I want to expose you to the ins and the outs. One, people are constantly searching online for information, right? And this information is one that they can use to actually expand their skills or solve their problem. There is a lot of problem that needs solution, and you might have the information to solve somebody else's problem. And once you're able to provide that information in the form of digital information products, then you are good to go. So what are the possibilities involved here? All right, the possibility is, imagine you are selling a product and that product you're selling is worth 5,000 naira. And on 5,000 naira product, you sell it to 200 people, you are making a profit of 1 million. 1 million, that is 7 figures. And this is for those who have not even made their first 7 figures ever before. This is the best time you can actually make it for yourself. Okay? And now you'll be wondering, Franklin, 5,000 naira product, okay, fine. How will I reach 200 people and all of those things? I actually made over 200 sales in less than 24 hours on a product I was selling. I will show you guys results because I don't like making noise. Right, results speaks so that we can shut the mouth of those people that think it's all scam. Okay, now these are a couple of different dashboards here, and you can see here this is 4.42 million naira paid to me, 174.91 million naira paid to me, 91,000 naira paid to me here. Now this is from a particular dashboard, a particular platform where I actually made over 5 million naira within 60 days. That was 2 months. And then I started having a couple of recurring incomes. And because I left the platform and I had a lot of things handling at that time, I actually started declining in sales. But then you can see it's still 6 figures, 91k. And they actually pay me weekly. You get. So just imagine if I'm doing 91k, 147k, weekly and all. You understand? Now look at how it is. Now, the business model I even went and jumped on that was even making me decline from this one was this other one right here. And you can see here, I made $191, $200, and then I scaled it to $6,000. You can see it. I scaled it to $11,000. We made $10,000 the next month. And I don't know what happened. We did very, very low. And then I scaled it again to $13,000. I think this is actually the balance that was in my account when I was withdrawing at a later time. Right? So you can see how you can generate over $10,000 in a month. $10,000 is over 10 million naira in a month. And, you know, that's it. Now, this is the one I did. Within 2 days, we did over $2,000. Yeah, you can see here, within 2 days, we did over $2,000. And it's not just me, because people are like, oh, Franklin, you Photoshop your results, blah, 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 blah. The other people doing well. This lady did $1 million selling her knowledge in 14 minutes. She made over $1 million. And guess what? The month before this month, she made $1 million in 14 minutes. She made $1 million in 40 minutes. So when she made $1 million in 14 minutes, she came and wrote, I just broke my own record. She broke a record of making $1 million in 14 minutes. Her name is Ashley Messenger Grayson. You can go and Google her and you will see the results. People come saying, oh, it's scam. But we that were inside of where what works, we understand that this is very legit possible. This lady here, you guys know her, Niger brand chick. She made over 125 million naira selling her coaching program. And you can see, right, selling her coaching program, I think it's about 250k, and she made over 125 million. I usually tell people to do the maths. If you make 125 million, let's take for example, you are even doing this in a whole year, and you make 125 million in a year. Calculate it with your calculator there. 125 million divided by 12, right? That is over 10 million naira in a month. So what are you saying? Now, this other person, you are very familiar with this lady. This is Hilda Bashi, the world record holder. And this one, she did 185 million in a month selling her cooking class. It's not even in a month. I think it was in the space of a week. That was the sale for, but the class was for like a month or so. Okay. And how did she do it? Her class was 35,000 naira, and she had over 5,300 people that signed up. That's 185 million. If you divide 185 million by 12 months, that is 15 million per month. And guess what? I heard that she also launched this month, and this month alone, she already has 4,700 people sign up. That's 164 million. That's to show you the possibility of this and how it works. It is a method that works 100%, and you can also win. So how do you win here? There are 3 major things. 1 is to plan, identify your knowledge and validate it. 2, create and organize your digital product. And 3, sell, get traffic, leads, and make money. Because it's the traffic and leads that make you the money. Okay? Now, there are different types of digital product, information product you can actually sell. It could be from ebooks to membership sites to webinars, cheat sheets to online courses, reports and analysis, templates and tear down, live events. All of these are all digital products that you can sell right now and make millions from every single month. My own pledge is that I'm going to change most of the people. If you're watching this video, I'm going to change your life. But that is if you're also ready to even change, because sometimes people are not ready. I will keep on saying this repeatedly. Okay? So the very first step to get started here is to choose your preferred niche. And once you choose your preferred niche, you actually are picking a segment of the market where you are going to stick to. Someone is doing something in make money online space, another person in cooking, another person in gaming, another person in dating, different areas. Okay? Now the step 2 here is to solve problem with your information. Look for the gap in the market. What exactly is your market asking for? What problem can you solve with what you have in the market? And then focus on creating the product around it. Okay? Now, once you've created your product, step 3 is to create a simple website for a sales page. And this one, you can get your hosting and domain, install WordPress, set up your web pages. All right? Now, once you have your sales page created, you can proceed to set up what we call a funnel. Okay, a funnel is the process by which your customers get to know you, like you, trust you, and buy your products. As you can see here, we have the awareness stage, the interest stage, the desire stage, and the action stage will lead to money. This is where they get to pay. All right. Now we have step 5. Step 5 is once you've set up the full funnel, you also need to set up a lead generation system that drives constant instant traffic to your page, which is your Facebook ads. Okay. Now, these are the 5 steps here we're going to be looking at, and exactly what you can do. And once you can implement this right now, you're good to start firing on and making a lot of money from the online space. All right. Now, this is a quick information product funnel that I use for myself. This is exactly how it looks like. But then if I'm actually going to show you, I will teach you an easier method that works 100%. Okay. Now, the information marketing business is one of the best ways to get started with an online business, honestly, whether you like it or not. And once you've been successful with one info product, you can set up another and you will scale with it. All right. So if you understand how this works now, you'll be asking the question, oh, how do I set up my own product? How do I get started? How do I have the flow and all of those things? I'm going to show you, because what I want to do now is to hold you by the hands and show you exactly what to do. Even if you currently don't have any products, you would have a product and you will make money from it. Okay? You have a product and you make money from it. All right? So I want to hold you by the hands and show you exactly what to do. So what am I going to be showing you right now? Let us go so you can see. Because right here, this is the program I'm going to be giving you access to, which I call the Digital Product Fast Cash System. I call it the Digital Product Fast Cash System because this is a fast method to get cash instantly. If you're calling on money like this, bam, bam, you can actually get cash you need to run yourself and run anything you want to run instantly. If you're currently crying and like, oh, how can I make money now to pay up my loans? Jump on this ASAP. Okay? So here you're going to be learning the getting started part, where I will introduce you into the program and help you access a couple of things you need to know. I'll also show you digital marketing, give you access to a couple of things you need to understand around digital marketing, how you can actually get started and even get certified by Google. 100%. We look into the creators economy. I'm going to explain the creator economy and what it means, so that both old and young, you can understand what this creator economy is calling up for and how you can tap into the grace of the creators economy. Don't be like Nokia. We all know how Nokia was one of the best brands back in the year, but today where are they? Apple, Samsung and others have taken over. Nokia is nowhere to be found. BlackBerry is nowhere to be found because they couldn't innovate. They could not tap into the new market and they are lost currently. I will expose you to the market because you need to understand your market before you do anything. And I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually leverage on the market you have in order to scale. We're going to go into what we call the red hot game, because here in the red hot game, I will show you the different methods that you can use to create your own product and how you can leverage several aspects in order to start winning in the game. I'm also going to show you what we call the zero product strategy, because right inside of here, you can actually get to start creating products even when you don't have any products. I'll show you how you can use the zero product to actually make out a strategy that works 100% and you are good to go. Okay? Now we look into the funnels, because here I'm going to break down funnels and explain it to you in a layman term that help you understand it and help you to show you the path that makes it work and get results. We also look at copywriting. Copywriting is almost the soul of any business. I'll show you how to do this A to Z so that it is easy for you to really, drink like milk. Then here we look at design. If you have ever countered and said, oh, I can never do design in my life, I don't know design and everything, it's because nobody has taught you properly. I will show you how to use Canva to do designs in the best way that brings the most results. We look into Facebook ads, and I will show you how you can use even that your 2K that you have, that your 2K or 5K that you have, I will show you how to use it to get results so that you can start winning in this particular space. I will show you what I call value stacking, that helps you to scale your income, so that if you're making 100K, you can make 200, 500K for yourself. I also have what we call the bullion strategy here, where I expose you to a couple more secrets that work 100%. I will also show you the YouTube money magnets. Like I said, I'm a YouTuber. I have over 230K subscribers. I started up a new channel that already has over 2,800 subscribers right now, and we are about to get monetized. We are not even up to 30 days on the new channel, but we are about to get monetized there. I also show you how to use TikTok to make a lot of money, and then I will expose you to what I call the winner strategy, where you see some winning strategies that work today with info products. I will also expose you to what we call the ChatGPT Millionaire Bundle, so you can see how you can leverage the power of AI to get access and instant rewards on everything that AI can bring for you. Then we have what we call the money speed offer. This one I'm not going to teach it now, Well, if you're reading the program, you're going to get it at a later time, because this one is exactly the one that helps you to go from 1 million. In short, you would hit 1 million, then you now see the money spill offers, then it now helps you to scale. Young boys, young girls like you, and even older people are actually making a lot from this. And I don't know why you are still sitting on the wheel. I don't know why. I don't know why you are still sitting on it and you are thinking that, oh, I can't do this. But people are winning currently with the online space. With your phone, your laptop, or your internet network, people are winning like crazy. So what about you? So for all of this, you are going to get it all for $5,499 if you can jump in right now. And I'm not mincing words right here, because to be very honest, I don't want to start making this webinar long and telling you, you would have gotten it for 500 million naira, but I'm crushing it down to 5. Now, the major concern for me is not whether you jump in or not, but it is actually about the fact that you really need to change for yourself. Not because of me, most probably, but because of you. There are a lot of changes you need to actually effect in your own life. And especially if you are somebody that is at the point where, your finances is not really strong, it's shaky, then this might actually be an opportunity for you. Like I said, I'm giving you a 90% off discount. This is the first time I'm actually putting out a program at this particular pricing. And honestly, I would never do it again. So if you're someone that knows me, you're a fan or someone like that, well, you already know that. So all I simply want you to do right now is to go ahead and click the link down below, and you jump on this, and I'm going to see you in class.